Hello, hello, beautiful one. Hello. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Divine One. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, the best wishes of love to you into whatever space you are connecting. I am honored and grateful to walk with you and to have you walk with me. And I just wanted one moment on this glorious space to say thank you. Thank you for every day that you connect with your wholeness. Thank you for every moment that you choose love, peace, sovereignty. Thank you. We are light. We are here. Unending blessings upon you, Divine One. Unending.